Hi, good morning. This is BK Behera from Behera Textile Tutorials. Today we'll learn about maintenance schedule and the carding and the spinning also. Mainly we'll learn about card clothing maintenance. You can see this is a reference that is this schedule is different in different manufacturers, but this is a reference only. You can see I have written 210 tons, 390 tons, 550 tons, 700 tons and 800 tons. This is for Comdian. Your car clothing chain, resharpening and chain schedule. So as you see, this is flat tops resharpening in 210 ton, 390 ton, 550 ton, 700 ton, then in 800 ton it will be changed. Like this cylinder wear also resharpening, 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 resharpening and then change. Also duffer wear like this. Then licrin wear you can change two times in one schedule for change of the flat cylinder and upper wear. You can change two times the licrin wear in 400 tons and 800 tons. And the SFL segment before cylinder, that you can change every time. When you sharpen the flat end cylinder, you can change the SFL. And you have to change the SFD, the segment in front of the cylinder. Uh, that is, you can change two times, 400 ton and 800 ton. Like this segment, the pre-opening segment below the licrin, you can change two times, 400 ton and 800 ton. And take-up roll wear change, you can change in 2000 ton to 2200 ton. And flat stripping fillet, you can change in 1000 to 1100 ton. Then this is the schedule for carded cotton. You can see this is 250 ton, 460 ton, 650 ton, 820 ton and 950 ton. Like this, you have to sharpen flat tops, resharpening, then change. In 950 ton, you can change. And like this cylinder wear and upper wear, you have to change at 950 tons. And you can resharpen in 250 ton, 460 ton, 650 ton, 820 ton, and in 950 ton, you have to change. Licrin wear, you can change two times in 500 ton and 950 ton. And the segment before cylinder, you can change. Every time you have to change. And the segment in front of cylinder, you can change two times. And the segment below the licrin, POS, you can change two times. And the take-up roller wear 2000 to 2200 ton. And the flat stripping fillet 1000 or 1100 ton, you have to change. And this is one you can take in OEN. For OEN, you can take more life. And maximum people take more than 1000 ton, 1100, 1200 also some people take the life. So if you take 1100 or 1200, so you have to resharpen in this schedule 290 ton, 530 ton, 750 ton, 940 ton, then 1100 or 1150, like this. Means you can see 290 ton. Exact it is not possible. You can take 290 to 300. 530 ton exact it is not possible. You can take in 530 to 540 or 550. And 750 ton exactly not possible. You can take 750 to 770. And this 940 you can take in 940, 960 or 970. Then finally you have to change in 1150 like this. So this is flat tops resharpening, and at last it will change. and cylinder wear resharpening and change. You can note in a retor they are giving the integrated sharpening system, cylinder sharpening system, and it will grind the cylinder in the scheduled by the display. So no need to cylinder, yes, grind otherwise. And this is for scheduling other machines. You can make stop the machine, open and put the instrument and grind the cylinder or flat or duffer. And liquor where you have to change two times. Segment before cylinder you have to change every time, and the segment after cylinder you have to change two times. Segment below the liquor you have to change two times, and take up roll where 2000 to 2200, and flat stripping fillet 1000 to 1100 ton you can change. For example, for 30,000 spindle unit, if you have a 24 carding machine, if you are running 12 carded and 12, 12 cards in machine comb yarn and 12 card in carded yarn, then for your target production, you have to change card clothing in 14 months and 16 months respectively. And you can see the OEN a little more life. So for OEN you can change in 16 months every card. So then you have to change one set of card clothing from combed and one set of card clothing from carded, and adjust the days as per production. See, if your schedule is in 14 month and 16 month, means every year you have to change. So every year means more than 1 year. So you have to change. You have 12 card in carded, 12 card in combed. So for 12 months or 14 months, you have 12 card, means one card every month. And for 16 month, uh, more than 1 month, more than 45 days, 40 days like this. So one card like this you have to change the means you have to make a randomization for the card clothing. That is the main important. You have to arrange the dates of resharpening and segments dates like this. You have to make a randomization. Card number 1 this month, next month card number 2, next month card number 3, or like this. Maybe you can take 40 days after, like this. And you cannot do that this month you will change 3 card, next month no card, and then you can do 5 card, and then 2 3 months no card. No, that is not good. This is your card clothing maintenance randomization. And because the aim of the randomization, the maintenance cost will not be a big issue in a short period. Means when you change 2 3 cards, 3 4 cards in a month, and the next month no card, then in 1 month your cost per spindle, maintenance cost, it will be big, and other month it will be nil. That is not good. And also one problem is, if you change one by one, every month one card, every month one card, then yeah, throughout the year you can get the equal quality of the 12 cards. The average quality of all the cards will be the same during the year. And after follow up this randomization of the card clothing, you have to follow the randomization of the drop frame creel also. I have instructed you in the drop frame section on the randomization of drop frame creel. This is big important, and in the soft floor, the operators and the supervisor also sometimes think that every machine are same. What need to do the randomization? But randomization is a very important topic. And this is called maintenance aims of maintenance program. Total, I am telling about the total maintenance. To maintain machine at the maximum operating speed and production efficiency, to ensure the best possible level of quality of the product, to minimize the idle time from breakdowns resulting productivity and the life of machine, to reduce to a minimum the cost of maintenance consistent of with above objectives. I am telling about the aims of maintenance program. If you do the all the maintenance perfectly, then what will be why we need to maintain all maintenance? That is the aim. Then types of maintenance. How many types of maintenance we should follow? Routine maintenance, preventive maintenance, predictive maintenance, remedial maintenance, restorative maintenance, emergency maintenance, and history. Under routine maintenance, these activities have to be performed according to predetermined frequency, which are based on technical quality considerations. In this category, full schedule cleaning, lubrication, setting of parts, correcting of some minor setting also covers such standard operations as grinding, buffing, some parts replacement. Means apron replacement, spindle tape replacement, and these are schedule maintenance you have to follow, otherwise your quality will not come. Example, full cleaning, oiling, greasing, full setting, grinding, buffing. As per buffing is also a main important schedule maintenance, routine maintenance. You should do all the grinding of the all the codes as per your schedule. Preventive maintenance. The preventive maintenance demands regular and systematic inspection of machines by skilled technicians, and the inspections are made in accordance with planned schedules. In addition to this, all the key machine settings are checked for conformity to prescribed standards, equipped with suitable checklists, testing instruments, and gauges. These activities are planned to performed along with the routine maintenance in order to not to interrupt the production. Means the routine maintenance and preventive maintenance. These two maintenance is to be done together. When you stop the machine, both the maintenance will be done in the same machine. Preventive maintenance is the area in which prevent maintenance can affect the greatest savings in manufacturing costs and to give quality product. Examples like all stop motion checking, load checking, sensor calibration, you can understand because in the schedule maintenance and the preventive maintenance, why preventive maintenance is done with the routine maintenance, because you can check the all stop motion, you can check the all load points, and you can check sensor calibration. When you take a machine for routine maintenance, you do the preventive maintenance also. Predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance is the activity helps to know what is happening to the different parts of machine under actual working condition. This will help in assessing the effectiveness of routine and preventive maintenance. It will be also helpful to judging the frequency of scheduled maintenance to be adopted. Example, noise checking, alignment checking, pressure checking, temperature checking, and quality checking after activity done. You can understand this is predictive maintenance. What happen? That means every time you have to check the noise of the bearing, noise of the shaft, noise of the fan, and you have to take a judgment that our routine maintenance is perfect, or you have to make some changes for the schedule. And you have to check the alignment checking, pressure checking. Every time you have to check the pressure, so you can find where is the problem. Temperature checking, you can check the temperature of bearings, fans, shafts. So you can assess, make a assessment that your lubricant is good or not, your lubrication schedule is good or not, or you have to change the schedule, you have to do minimum days. And quality checking after activities, it is the main important that whenever any machine you take on routine maintenance, you stop the machine and do the cleaning and the gauging and everything. After the machine start, you have to check the quality of that machine yarn. Then you can find it is okay or not, or any problem has been done in during the maintenance. Then remedial maintenance. It mainly covers the study of failures and changing design, materials or working conditions to avoid the repetition of these failures. Increasing the capability of machine by changing or improving the design so that they become fit to stand increased loads and speeds, and improving the retention of lubricants so as to save lubricants and reduce wear and tear of parts. It is interesting to note that the training of maintenance personnel and machine operators could be considered as a part of remedial maintenance. Means remedial maintenance, something remedy you have to do for the proper maintenance. This is alteration of bottom apron, delivery cords, changing MP3 grease to OKS grease. These are some remedial maintenance. Restorative maintenance. This type of maintenance calls for drastic changes in a machine, such as replacement of major parts involving considerable amount of expense and time. The machine is completely dismantled and re-erected after replacing all worn out parts and assemblies. Taking advantages of this general overhauling, the machine may also be modernized. Restorative maintenance means mainly the overhauling of the machine or some modification of the parts. Emergency maintenance. Breakdown always occurs unexpectedly. This handling of such breakdown is called emergency maintenance. Machine history. To keep all data of all maintenance activity like routine maintenance, preventive maintenance, remedial maintenance, spare changes, checking points, and all breakdown times, and name of the technician attendant to the breakdown. For this operation, both the manager and the assistant manager are responsible and should be in proper tabular form. Thank you.